Flood warning for Volusia County. Here we go. Sir? Why are you not home? Oh, your reception.
Flood warning for the following county: Volusia, Florida. Flood warning in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening.
What is this?
What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected.
This is new.
Where? A portion of East Central Florida, including the following area: Volusia. When? Until
Sorry for the
7
bad
p.m.
reception.
Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams,
Wind and
and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 4:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the public reported heavy rain in the warned area due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Daytona Beach, Port Orange, New Smyrna Beach, South Daytona, Holly Hill,
We're going back to the old times.
Daytona Beach Airport, Daytona International Speedway, Ponce Inlet, Allendale, Spruce Creek. http://www.weather.gov/
What was that about?
safety / flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Alright. Flood warning! Flood warning! Yes! Another one! Okay, forget Southwest Florida.
For the following county: Volusia, Florida.
Again.
Flood warning in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by
Hasn't popped up on IMBot yet.
expected. Where? A portion of East Central Florida, including the following area: Volusia. When? Until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams,
And now we
and
have
other
a
low-lying
20%
and
loss
flood-prone
probability.
locations is imminent or occurring. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. It will take several hours for all the water from these storms to work through local drainage systems in urban areas. Additional details: at 6:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the public reported ongoing flooding in the warned area. Between 6 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Daytona Beach, Port Orange, New Smyrna Beach, South Daytona, Holly Hill, Daytona Beach Shores, Daytona Beach Airport, Daytona International Speedway, Ponce Inlet, Allendale, Spruce Creek, Harbor Oaks, Wilbur by the Sea, and Femsula Spruce Creek. http://www.weather.gov/ safety / flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. River flood warning. Required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the No Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Tropical weather outlook. Issued at 12:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yep,
For
that's
the North
back.
Atlantic,